With the live patient training, I thought that was very beneficial to have. It was nice to have a different nuances with different patients in different situations treating periodontally. That experience was extremely valuable, and this wouldn't be the same without it. When I use LANAP on my patients, they definitely prefer it over traditional surgery. A lot of the patients we see, I'd say about half, are patients that haven't experienced any type of gum surgery or periodontal surgery before. The other half are retreating or going through the process again after they've had it done before. An overwhelming majority would not only prefer that, but understand it, would prefer that. They like the technology. They really seem to appreciate it. So overwhelming patient acceptance and appreciation of using that technology. The thing that probably surprised me the most about LANAP was probably the relative ease of use. The thoroughness of the training kind of prepared you for using the laser, but being able to adapt it and use it in clinical practice was really straightforward and hands-on, and you do have to just kind of get in there and work with it. But the learning curve isn't insurmountable. It's something that you can pick up pretty easily. There are some cases where you're treating patients that have had periodontal issues. You're having periodontal problems. They've had other types of periodontal surgery in the past, and you're kind of running out of options, so to speak, as far as how to go after that. And they're reluctant to do more. They spend a lot of money. They spend a lot of time. They're not getting the results they need. But I find like accepting of the LANAP or laser procedure, explaining that to them, and having them understand the benefits of that procedure have been remarkable, and they change a lot for people. I think most people that you would talk to after having this course done, I can't imagine them not having a glowing review, and if you just kind of jump in, it's a little nerve-wracking, but you just jump in and start using it, and you'll recoup your investment easily.